Hello and welcome to this brief introduction to studying A-level physics at Northgate Sixth Form. Physics is all around us. It helps us in so many ways, from the maps on our phone, the glasses we wear and the cars we drive. We find that the process of understanding the world around us, this thing which we call physics, is central to human culture. Technologies derived from the fundamental discoveries in physics have transformed life for all of humanity. So what can studying physics lead to for your future career? Well, physics allows you to develop a range of transferable skills. So along with the obvious progression to degrees in physics or engineering, it's also very useful qualification for those going into medicine, law, economics and a multitude of other pathways. In the words of a former student of ours, physics isn't about learning a load of facts, it's about acquiring the skills to tackle the question, how does that work? You'll have 2 physics teachers for your group, 7 physics lessons a fortnight, and we have an expectation that you'll put in an extra 5 hours of study outside the classroom each week. We adopt a practical, hands-on approach to learning, and we're lucky to have very well-equipped physics labs. Your 2 teachers will divide the course into topics which will include forces and motion, waves and oscillations, quantum physics, thermal physics, cosmology and astrophysics, nuclear and particle physics, medical imaging, a whole range of areas. The course will be assessed with 3 exams at the end of year 13, along with a non-exam series of practical assessments carried out in lessons throughout the course. We host a regular series of talks on physics, and a range of speakers have come along over the years, and they've talked about a variety of topics, such as hunting neutrinos, measuring the age of the universe, using physics in medicine, hunting for the Higgs boson. We're very keen that our students broaden their knowledge by attending these talks, and they're usually held either just after school or in the early evening, and we host them in association with the Institute of Physics. Here are some of our students enjoying some of those talks, and on the right is a particularly proud moment for me. That was when a former student of mine came back and gave a talk on gravitational waves, and she'd been working on the LIGO project that had discovered them. It was quite poignant that just a few days after lockdown started, we'd been due to be visiting the Large Hadron Collider at CERN with 30 of our A-level students, but fear not, we're going to arrange another trip when all those travel restrictions have finally ended.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm Pooja.
Hi, I'm Will.
Hi, I'm Ollie, and we all study A-level physics. I chose A-level physics because I want to study architecture and design at university.
I chose A-level physics because it was the most enjoyable subject at GCSE for me, and I'm quite good at it.
I chose A-level physics because I hope to study physics at university.
I chose A-level physics because I found it extremely interesting at GCSE. My favourite physics topic so far has to have been forces and motion.
My favourite topic in physics has been astrophysics.
My favourite topic in physics is symmetry of physical laws.
My favourite topic is mechanics, but my favourite moment was when we went to London to watch some world-renowned physicists give us lectures on some of the most interesting topics and show us some really cool experiments.
Another great opportunity is the trip to CERN, which unfortunately this year has due to been cancelled, but it's a great opportunity to see one of the best research facilities in the world.
We also offer a physics Olympiad, which is essentially a national physics challenge you can take part in and put on your personal statement.
If you're ever having problems in physics as well, you can always go to drop-in session, where every teacher is waiting there, ready to help you and answer any problems you have to do with physics. In the future, I'm hoping to study engineering at university.
In the future, I'm hoping to study physics and specialise in astrophysics at university.
In the future, I hope to study physics and go on to a career in physics.
In the future, I'm intending to study architecture and design at university.
Hello, my name is Thea and I studied physics at Northgate Sixth Form. My favourite part of the course was the cosmology section, which has been very helpful for me in the beginning of the Earth System Sciences module of my environmental science degree, which I'm just started. I'm studying environmental science at Exeter University on the Penryn campus.
So, just to finish off, I'd like to quote one of our former students, Alice, who studied physics a couple of years ago. Now, she said something quite profound. She said, "It's so rewarding when you leave the classroom and then realise that what you've learnt about is going on all around you in the real world." Thanks very much.